I got my first Duck Jeep Duck in downtown Traverse City today. Picked up Rob, took him to get a haircut. That thing was waiting when we got back. Anyway, at our house, here we have a 2-car garage, and obviously Laura parks the Escalade in one side, and then I park whatever car I'm driving in the other side. Right now I have the Jeep and the Mercedes here because it's kind of a pain to get to the building, and like if I need 2 cars, I don't know. But I took the doors off of this yesterday, so I obviously parked it in the garage last night. It's been less than 24 hours. Look at the pollen. I don't know if you can see it. Like, this is just from literally less than 24 hours. The whole car is absolutely coated, and I washed it on Saturday. So what I'm gonna do is drive this car to the building, park it in it, and then I think I'm gonna drive the Honda CT70 back here. Problem is that thing's not registered, doesn't have a taillight, doesn't have batteries or anything. So gonna be kind of riding dirty. I'll wear a helmet, so that's good. Wish me luck, I guess. All right, made it to the shed. Actually, you probably saw this in my autocross video, but how cool is this helmet? I put all these stickers on it. If you want one of these AMC Hornet stickers, hit me up. Got some made for Power Tour. Might have a few extras. My plan now, I'm gonna put this clamp on here so I can record my goofy face while I'm driving, and then pull the Jeep in and then just hit it. Safety third. That's a good sign. All right, here we go. This camera seems to be shaking a lot. I just saw Daryl. Oh yeah, got it. Ripping, baby. Cars past me, it's very windy. Across here. I just don't want to drive on M72. It's like a highway. This works out really good, actually. I wish my speedometer worked. I'm literally getting hit with raindrops, of course. Stuck in second gear. No wonder why I felt so slow. Got a truck coming up behind me. See if I can beat him. I think I'm going like 40. Oh, no truck behind me anymore. Let these vehicles pass here. Waiting to cross the street. I'm gonna drive through this neighborhood, and then there's like a trail that gets to the back of our neighborhood, so I feel like that'll be a lot safer. neighborhood and I didn't get arrested. It only took 15 minutes of total recording. That's not bad. That was like the most uneventful ever. I probably could have just driven on M72 and 31 without any issue, but thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.